Tingelingelingeling! Musikwunsch. Und zwar hat sich der Dirk Fawig, das ist ein Facebook-Freund von mir, das Lied Claire von Gilbert O Sullivan gewünscht. Das Lied ist ein Riesenhit in den 70er Jahren gewesen. Ich selber habe das Lied rauf und runter gehört. War damals zwar noch jung, aber egal. Ich habe mich schon sehr für Musik interessiert. Und jetzt freue ich mich natürlich, dass ich das mal spielen kann. Ist natürlich nicht so einfach, aber ich werde mein Bestes geben. Also, jetzt nochmal Grüße an Dirk und jetzt geht's los. Claire von Gilbert O Sullivan. Claire, the moment I met you, I swear, I felt as if something somewhere had happened to me, which I couldn't see. And then, the moment I met you again, I knew in my heart that we were friends. It had to be so, it couldn't be no. I try as hard as I might do, I don't know why. You get to me in a way I can't describe. Words mean so little when you look up and smile. I don't care what people say when you're more than a child. Oh Claire, oh Claire, if ever a moment so rare was captured for all to compare, that moment is you and all that you do. But why, in spite of her age different, do I cry? Each time I leave you, I feel I couldn't die. Nothing means more to me than hearing you say, I'm going to marry you. Will you marry me, Uncle Ray? Oh Claire, Claire. Told you before, don't you dare. I'll get back into it. Can you see that it's me? No, you can't have a drink. Oh, alright, then you wait just a bit. A while in an alpha to babysit. I'll catch on my breath with everything's left of it. You can be murdered at an hour of day, but in the morning the sun would seem no light on my way. Oh Claire, Claire, oh Claire.